To only allow some of your contacts to see your profile photo on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap privacy. Tap profile photo. And then select my contacts accept. Next, select the required contact you like to put in exception so they cannot see your profile photo. And then tap the green checkmark icon to save the change. Now your profile photo on WhatsApp can only be seen to your contacts except to those you have put in exception. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.